It's a 1974 Honda CB500 a nice 4x1 exhaust system on it. It's been off the road for at least 10 years. All the carburetors were bunged up, the spark plugs were knackered. Had to put fresh fuel in it. I've got it running off a remote petrol tank, so I had it started earlier on. I've changed the oil and everything. This is what it sounds like. It's quite good for an old bike. Carburetors need set up and the throttle cable sticking. Front brakes jamming on it, a few things to do and it'll be quite a good bike.